Cross River State government has reassured Cross Riverians of eradicating epileptic power supply being experienced across the 3 senatorial districts of the state. The Commissioner of Power and Renewable Energy, Prince Eka Williams, made this known while playing host to the National and State Executive of the Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. The report.
The commissioner thanked the body of the Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, NI, for their selfless role in ensuring that the menace of power supply become thing of the past. He said power is the sole oxygen of every economy, noting that power generation is not a challenge in Cross River, but identified power transmitting strategy as a main challenge.
A whole lot of efforts have been put towards that dimension, and we're having traction in that direction. So many, we can see that the improvement these days, and we'll be going upward. I want to apologize on behalf of the state that situation occurred. It is not anything the state could do about it. But this has emboldened us, this has made us think more again about our 26 megawatts. His Excellency the Governor of Cross River State, Apostle Prince Bassel, is not leaving anything to chance. As I speak, I have been mandated very strongly to engage with another company that will take over the 26 megawatt, because the last company that worked on it had some issues, contractual issues with us.
According to the Power and Renewable Energy Commissioner, the state power sector feeds from Enugu, Port Harcourt, and Jos Electricity Discos. He used the medium to appeal to staff of his ministry to acquire more trainings to promote efficiency in service delivery.
We have had series of interaction at that level. There are so many international organizations that are partnering with NGL, the Global Government Forum, to help give us to show up support and materials that will help the subnation build up a strong and veritable law that we are doing.
The National Vice President, Nigerian Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, Engineer Olabode Olalekan, and the outgoing state chairman of NI, Engineer Kazim Ojikutu, thanked the state government in her systematic approach in providing renewable energy across some government and private facilities. They promised to sustain the collaboration between NI and the state government to add value to the economy in ensuring accessible and affordable energy.
I know that Mr. President, from what he had done so far, tells us that of a truth is concerned and also is interested in moving power sector forward. By the act of power which he signed into power in 2023, I'm talking about the Electricity Act, which helps to decentralize the power sector, that gives opportunity to states, to companies, to generate, to transmit, and also distribution power.
We had a synergy between NIEEE and the Ministry for Power and Renewable Energy. When it even comes to the issue of the electricity domestication in Cross River State, the chapter has gone a very long way to further collaborate with the ministry and other stakeholders to fine-tune the policies that was recently signed by the governor, as you rightly hear from the Commissioner of Power. So we have been behind the back door. We can only advocate for policies and see where and what needs to be done. We push behind the scene.
High points were technical section and presentation of a frame to the commissioner. Williams Udida reporting.